After 3 consecutive generations, Samsung might finally bring the end to their current design. The 15th anniversary of the Galaxy S series could bring a start of a new design era. According to these early rumors coming from South Korean media, there could be significant changes in the overall design and concept of the Galaxy S25 series. One of which is a big surprise that Samsung could actually increase the screen size of the Galaxy S25 from 6.2 inches to 6.36 inches. This is kind of interesting because Apple is literally set to do the same thing with the iPhone 16 Pro base model, now set to support a 6.3-inch display. Samsung hasn't changed the screen size of their Galaxy S base model since Galaxy S20 series, which is about 4 years ago. Considering this, Samsung might also do something similar with the S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra. Although we don't have any visual design leak of the S25 series, the fact that this report mentions significant changes in the overall design and concept of the S25 series, this could mean a huge design change for the S25 series. Now, S24 Ultra is probably my favorite Ultra flagship phone design, but considering how it looks similar to the extension of the S22 Ultra, having this exact same design for the S25 Ultra, I think it would be much exciting if Samsung brings out with a fresh look. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, before the S series next year, we're going to see a major launch of the next Galaxy Z series phones. And for this next launch, the possible location is leaked. According to the early rumors, Samsung's next 2024 Unpacked event could take place in early July in Paris. The reason behind Paris is kind of simple because Samsung is the Olympics partner and a major sponsor of the 2024 Summer Olympics. And since that's the same time frame where Samsung usually announces their next folding products, France might be the next location. We have a ton of Galaxy Z series leak that we're going to cover in the upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that. And yeah, let me know your thoughts if you would like to see a huge design change on the S25 series. Drop a comment. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.